Hello my dear children, I am LK Tripathi again with the new video. We shall discuss history chapter 2nd. The next point is the February Revolution in Petrograd. What was Petrograd? Petrograd was the capital city of Russia that time. Also we shall understand about the February Revolution. What was the February Revolution and how did it impact for the Russian society? Here we shall see in the winter of 1917, conditions in capital Petrograd were grim. Grim means very dangerous and very worst. The layout of the city seemed to emphasize the divisions among its people. The workers' quarters and factories were located on the right bank of the river Neva. There is a river in Russia that is Neva. Mean to say that this city was known as the factory side that time. And just on the bank of the river Neva, the workers' quarters were located. And just opposite of the workers' quarter means on the left bank where the fashionable areas, the Winter Palace and official buildings including the palace where the Duma met. Just left side of the river, the Winter Palace means the palace of King Tsar was located there, and you can say this was the aristocrat areas where rich people lived. And not only that, the Duma was also nearby the palace. Duma means the Parliament of Russia, where parliamentarians met together and discuss about the strategy and about the matters of the Russia. What happened further? In February 1917, food shortages were deeply felt in the workers' quarter. The winter was very cold. There had been exceptional frost and heavy snow. The scarcity of food emerged there among the workers. Not only that, the winter was very cold that time and exceptional frost and heavy snow. Dews and snow covered the areas. Parliamentarians wishing to preserve elected government were opposed to the Tsar's desire to dissolve the Duma. Tsar was not in favor of Duma. He never liked the people who were in favor of the government elected by the members or the people of Russia. He wanted absolute power, supreme power in him alone. On 22nd February, a lockout took place at a factory on the right bank. On this day, February 22, a historical event took place. Means all the workers locked out the factory and decided not to work in the factory till uncertain time. The next day, workers in 50 factories called a strike in sympathy. In many factories, women led the way to strikes. This came to be called the International Women's Day. Not only men workers did not participate in the strike in sympathy, but also women also took participation in this movement and this strike first time in the history of world. Since that time, we celebrate this day as the International Women's Day. Demonstrating workers crossed from the factory quarters to the center of the capital, the Nevsky Petrostate. At this stage, no political party was actively organizing the movement. There was no any leader of this movement, only workers. Sudden, the strike was organized. This was, you can say, the sudden excitement of the workers to oppose the rule of Russia. As the fashionable quarters and officials' buildings were surrounded by workers, the government imposed a curfew. Demonstrators dispersed by the evening, but they came back on the 24th and 25th. The government called out the cavalry and police to keep an eye on them. Seeing all this happen, the government decided to increase the security of the palace and also impose curfew in the area. Demonstration depressed by the evening. Demonstration by the worker were impressed, but not. It did not stop there. Again, at very next day on 24th and 25th, they again came back for the same activities. As a result, the government called out the cavalry and police to keep an eye on them. As a result, the government strengthened the security of the area with cavalry and police. Cavalry means the police forces who control the law and order through horse. ये घोड़े पर जो सैनिक होते हैं घुड़सवार, उनको हम कैवेलरी कहते हैं. और पुलिस ये पूरी आंख इस पर लगा के रही कि कहीं से कोई अनहैपनिंग घटना न हो. नेक्स्ट topic we shall see in the next video on Sunday 25 February what happened. Till then, goodbye.